Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I'm here for another exciting, delicious recipe for you guys. Okay, coming straight to your kitchen. Today's video, I am so excited because after this, guys, everyone can make this. Because it's very simple recipe. So right now, I am going to make Ghana authentic Diehu stew or Tuozaafi stew, TZ stew. I have all my ingredients laid down here, so I'm going to go through them so you guys will have the idea what I'm going to use for this recipe. Okay, so now I have a large red onion. Okay, if you're an onion person, you can add more. I'm using puree from Hunt. Yeah, this one is supposed to be very nice. Or if you have tomato crushed, you can use that. I have some fresh tomato. This one is 5. I have my habanaro on this side. Okay, this pepper is very spicy, so if you're not a big fan of spicy, don't add it. Okay, and also I have my ginger. This one is like the Ghana ginger right here. Yeah, it's not that big one, so yeah. And also this ginger is very spicy, guys, we all know. And my spice, I'm going to use clove, minced dash, garlic powder, oregano, cayenne pepper, and also I have oil right here. I have a stew about this recipe, I think my old video, but that time I used palm oil, but today I am going to use just regular oil. And also I have my salt on this side as well. So guys, yeah. And also guys, so somebody will ask, OBAAPA, what kind of meat are you going to use for your Tuozaafi? Guys, as you can see, I have intestines right here. It's like all kinds of intestines. I in here, cooked it, yeah, and then steamed it last night. So that I did it yesterday. This is what basically I am going to use for my Tuozaafi. As you can smell the flavor of the intestine, you know, it's just amazing. Yeah, so it is pre-cooked meat. So this one I will use my meat. If you don't have it, you can make sure you use your beef or your lamb or even chicken, or you can use livers, you can use how do you call it, gizzards. You can use all of that to make this recipe, and also you can add a little bit of egg to it. Yeah, this is what I am. So this is basically my meat, guys. It's smelling so nice, as you can, you know, tell. So and simple. I have my onion, so, and also as you can see, I have my Ninja blender right here. I am going to cut it into pieces, and then we are going to blend everything together. So just, you know, feel free and blend everything. And also I have 1 teaspoon of nkete, that is the clove. I'm gonna add. Oil already in the pan, so we're gonna start cooking this sauce. So first of all, I'm gonna add my blended tomato, onion, clove, garlic, ginger. Yeah, so that's good. So I'm gonna add my spice. So I have some garlic powder right here. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Okay, and I have some oregano. I'm adding 2. Minced dash. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of minced dash. And also cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt to begin with. Now you're gonna give it a stir. With this sauce, guys, if you have palm oil, you can use palm oil as well, okay? Or tomato puree, or like if you have tomato crush, you can add that as well. Give it a nice good stir. Okay, and then in the medium heat, we're just gonna cover it and then allow it to cook. Yeah, for about, let's say, for about 30 minutes. Alright guys, so this stew it's been cooking for 15 minutes so far. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it and stir it because I want to see how it's doing. Alright guys, stew there. Tuozaafi stew, Papa Bio. Yeah. Authentic stew. OBAAPA kitchen, yeah guys. Stew, why you been on? They say me try to ma, you be more wabusia phone, what na? Idea simple, you come up. Well, look at that. Who put up, plop. Oh, guys, well, check this stew, Check it. Tuozaafi. So, guys, I am going to give this another 15 minutes. I'm just going to cover it again and let it cook for extra 15 minutes. And also, make sure you gradually stir this stew. Okay, so the stew has been cooking for about 30 minutes. Guys, the meat, what I use to season is I use some ginger, garlic, cloves, some mekusam, and also that is pepper powder, like the hot pepper powder. I use some oregano as well, and I used cayenne pepper. You know, I use like fresh seasoning to season this meat. If you have like a season that you like to season your meat, you can just go ahead and use it, okay, to season whatever meat you wanted to use it to make it. So at this time, I'm just going to add my sauce into the meat, okay. See all these juicy right here? It's all flavor, okay, from the meat. See, as soon as you added the meat, then you see that the sauce will just change, you know, exactly how they make it in Ghana. So just to get a little, you know, crunchiness, a little onion flavor, I cut some half onion. I am going to add it as well. I'm gonna cook it with it. Okay, just to give it a little like onion flavor. So at this time around, you can just, you know, let it sit in the stove, you know, let it simmer and cook slowly, okay? So remember when you go and buy Tuozaafi, yeah. So the soup doesn't supposed to be, you know, too thick. It has to be a little light, like a medium. Yeah, that's what you need. Alright, so you're gonna let it cook slowly, simmer for a little bit. Let's say about 15 minutes. Finally, the sauce is already done. As you can see, just a little bit of oil that on top. With those soup complain about oil, guys, you can scoop this oil, take them out, okay? But because it's a lot of meat, so you cannot really tell. Alright, so this is how I make my authentic Ghana Tuozaafi sauce. Okay, this recipe, as you guys can tell it was so easy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And also guys, this meat was the goat meat from my previous video, organic goat meat that I got. If you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and check it out. Okay, this is the remaining of the goat meat that I can enjoy with your Tuozaafi. If you have benku, you can enjoy with anything that you have, rice, kenke, you know, whatever you have in your pantry. Okay, you can eat with some potatoes as well. It's just very, very beautiful, delicious recipe. But in Ghana, we normally enjoy it with Tuozaafi and also ayoyo soup. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you give this video a thumbs up, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Now OBAAPA recipe and mama mati. I'm stay tuned. Now I'm sure OBAAPA kitchen, and I have a lot of recipe for you guys. So guys, I hope you're having a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy Ghana Tuozaafi stew pepper beef that you can enjoy with so many stuff. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.